morning. How are you all? I'm making breakfast, lunch, brunch, whatever it is. I'm making myself some kind of a brunch. So I'm gonna have roll oats, but I'm gonna add coconut milk. I'm not gonna boil the roll oats with coconut milk. I have a pot of water on right now, and I'm just gonna have it with like a little bit of sweetness with maple pecans. These were given from a friend of mine, and then some pumpkin seeds. This is savory, so that would add, yeah, that would be a good mixture. You guys, I was given a lot of fresh fruits. Look, these are oranges, guavas, and persimmons. And I have more persimmons in the fridge, but yeah, just they are ripening quickly. Like fruits and stuff like that here are just abundant, and not, it's so sad, not a lot of people eat a lot of oranges and all these, it's like, man, but I am digging these oranges. They are so good. I don't know what kind are they, but they're good. And it's in season. These are all in season right now. And have you seen these apples? I bought them from Sprouts the other day, and they are called Lucy Glow or Lucy Rose. Yeah, look at the flesh, and it's very sweet. So in abundance. Wow, I just love this. I'll just eat the whole thing. Like, yeah, everything, the seeds and everything. It's okay. It's not. I just, yeah. And with the purple potatoes with the skin, yeah, they're all healthy. It doesn't matter. Eat the seeds. Okay, my oatmeal is done. I'm gonna pour a little, just, yeah, just make it like cereal. Pumpkin seeds. They're organic pumpkin seeds soaked and roasted with brewer's yeast and herbed sea salt. Yum. Okay. You got a little bit of sweetness and savory all together. Let's eat. Oatmeal with coconut milk is so good. So warm and cozy. So for dinner, I made a quick beef stew and some turmeric rice, and it goes really well. The family enjoyed it. I'm having pork noodle soup. Kopyaksin. Laotian style kopyaksin. Laotian style pork noodle soup, but I have the Japanese, what is this, udon noodles. So good, so flavorful. This is like leftovers from last night, so so good. I don't have a lot of pork meat, but the broth is super flavorful right now. Yum. So spicy good.
plan on going to the bookstore after this, but then my husband reminded me that we're going out tonight. so yeah. Anywho, there's not much going on. I try to keep the holidays this year like very chill, and so, you know, being at home, spending our days, our nights at home most of the time, and have some fire going on, and just, yeah, just the norm. Wow. Oh, Chili's. There are so many activities, events going on outside, so we're like packed with that this week. Mm. Mm. I finally painted my nails after like maybe 2 years or so. I just didn't mind painting my nails. I love colors on my nails. Mm. So festive, and you know, so I was like, oh, a little red. I'm gonna finish off lunch, have some cookies, or maybe not because we're going out tonight. But it's good to have it earlier during the day, and then you don't feel as bad like at night. You're like, oh. Anywho, I'll see you later. Look what I just cut up. Some persimmons, oranges, well, just one orange, guava. Guava is a big vitamin C. When we were growing up in Asia, Southeast Asia, there were lots of guavas growing, and we realized that's vitamin C. Yeah, that's like, eat your vitamin C. I'm like, okay. This is the pink, this is the white flesh. So I grew up eating the pink kind of flesh, but it's hard to find here. But let me see. It's a little tart, but it's good. This is the whole looking fruit. And so it does have some hard seeds, but I'm chewing around it. But they don't really, you know, folks back in the day, they don't really advise you eating the seed of the guava because it's so big and it gets stuck into your appendix. Yeah. So maybe I shouldn't eat it. Sorry of the glare, but yeah, just change that angle. Not a lot of people here like to eat guava because of the smell. I mean, non-Asians. Because it does have a strong smell. I mean, not as strong as the durian, but still. Persimmons are so sweet. Now it's not as crunchy, so it's gotten, I mean, it does have a, but I peeled the skin because it does get a little tough. Just, yeah, once it gets, the more ripe it gets, yeah, the tougher of the skin. I am not into persimmon cookies. I just think that they're just added more sugar and all that. This is like the thing. My second one. Ooh, I just had the orange and I just got really sour one. I think that's enough. I'll see you at Barnes and Nobles tonight, okay?